Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Always lock the door when you leave. Always lock the door when you leave. Practice your spelling words. Practice your spelling words. Wear your mask if required. Wear your mask if required. Be respectful to nature. Be respectful to nature. Eat all your vegetables. Eat all your vegetables. Take care of your pets. Take care of your pets. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Keep your promises. Keep your promises. Be quiet during nap time. Be quiet during nap time. Stay hydrated, drink water. Stay hydrated, drink water. Be respectful to everyone. Be respectful to everyone. Remember to make your bed. Remember to make your bed. Put your shoes away neatly. Put your shoes away neatly. Help set the table for meals. Help set the table for meals. Put your dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Put your dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Do your homework before watching TV. Do your homework before watching TV. Feed the pets 3 times a day. Feed the pets 3 times a day. Help with grocery shopping. Help with grocery shopping. Always be kind to your siblings. Always be kind to your siblings. Help with the dishes. Help with the dishes. Follow the rules of the playground. Follow the rules of the playground. Look both ways before crossing the street. Look both ways before crossing the street. Take a bath or shower regularly. Take a bath or shower regularly. Use a tissue when you sneeze. Use a tissue when you sneeze. Turn off the lights when you leave a room. Turn off the lights when you leave a room. Don't litter, use trash cans. Don't litter, use trash cans. Always wear your helmet when biking. Always wear your helmet when biking. Stay in the yard while playing. Stay in the yard while playing. Don't talk to strangers. Don't talk to strangers. Wear sunscreen when it's sunny. Wear sunscreen when it's sunny. Be careful on the playground. Be careful on the playground. Wear your seatbelt in the car. Wear your seatbelt in the car. Take turns on the swings. Take turns on the swings. Try to learn something new every day. Try to learn something new every day. Don't run near the pool. Don't run near the pool. Wear a jacket if it's cold. Wear a jacket if it's cold. Play nicely with other kids. Play nicely with other kids. Pick up after your dog. Pick up after your dog. Don't climb too high on trees. Don't climb too high on trees. Wear appropriate shoes for playing. Wear appropriate shoes for playing. Use your inside voice in public places. Use your inside voice in public places. Watch out for cars when playing ball. Watch out for cars when playing ball. Raise your hand before speaking. Raise your hand before speaking. Listen to your teacher. Listen to your teacher. Do your best on every assignment. Do your best on every assignment. Be kind to your classmates. Be kind to your classmates. Don't forget your lunch. Don't forget your lunch. Share your supplies. Share your supplies. Respect school property. Respect school property. Keep your desk clean. Keep your desk clean. Help your classmates when they need it. Help your classmates when they need it. Pay attention in class. Pay attention in class. Put your books away properly. Put your books away properly. Use the hall pass. Use the hall pass. Walk, don't run, in the hallways. Walk, don't run, in the hallways. Finish your homework. Finish your homework. Participate in class discussions. Participate in class discussions. Don't talk when the teacher is talking. Don't talk when the teacher is talking. Say goodbye to your teacher at the end of the day. Say goodbye to your teacher at the end of the day. Hold an adult's hand while crossing the street. Hold an adult's hand while crossing the street. Don't forget to do your daily reading. Don't forget to do your daily reading. Say sorry if you make a mistake. Say sorry if you make a mistake. Be a good sport whether you win or lose. Be a good sport whether you win or lose. Stay close to your family in crowded places. Stay close to your family in crowded places. Be patient while waiting in line. Be patient while waiting in line. Say excuse me when passing by someone. Say excuse me when passing by someone. Don't touch things that aren't yours. Don't touch things that aren't yours. Throw trash in the bins. Throw trash in the bins. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. Finish your breakfast before leaving for school. Finish your breakfast before leaving for school. Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't talk with your mouth full. Keep your shoes clean. Keep your shoes clean. Be polite to everyone. Be polite to everyone. Pack a healthy snack for school. Pack a healthy snack for school. Help your siblings with their homework. Help your siblings with their homework. Wear clean clothes every day. Wear clean clothes every day. Be careful when using knives. Be careful when using knives. Help water the plants. Help water the plants. Don't forget to flush the toilet. Don't forget to flush the toilet. Take your vitamins daily. Take your vitamins daily. Say excuse me when you burp. Say excuse me when you burp. Keep your nails clean. Keep your nails clean. Put your school supplies back in your bag. Put your school supplies back in your bag. Eat healthy snacks. Eat healthy snacks. Don't forget to charge your devices. Don't forget to charge your devices. Brush your hair every day. Brush your hair every day. Always say thank you after a meal. Always say thank you after a meal. Always do what's right, even when no one is watching. Always do what's right, even when no one is watching. Help fold the laundry. Help fold the laundry. Use a napkin at meals. Use a napkin at meals. Always be polite to guests. Always be polite to guests. Help your parents with cooking. Help your parents with cooking. Take care of your school books. Take care of your school books. Help clean up after meals. Help clean up after meals. Don't forget to pack your school bag. Don't forget to pack your school bag. Share your toys with friends. Share your toys with friends. Be gentle with animals. Be gentle with animals. Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. Always wash your hands before meals. Always wash your hands before meals. Always be on time. Always be on time.
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share.